The beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 28 feet in meter 8.53 meter and the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement unit on the front wall, tea table arrangement and also dining counter with 4 chairs and refrigerator arrangement here. After that we will go on the left side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner and sink and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go inside, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and wardrobe arrangement, also a study table with chair and 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.